The original Mini 3 Pro Fly More kit for DJI Mini 3 Pro drone accessories is an ideal choice for aerial photography enthusiasts, offering extended flight time and a comprehensive set of accessories. The kit features two Mini 3 Pro intelligent flight batteries, providing a maximum flight time of 34 minutes, allowing for prolonged aerial photography sessions. The included Mini 3 Pro two-way charging hub offers convenient charging, capable of powering the remote controller and 3 batteries in sequence. The kit also includes a shoulder bag, providing ample space for your Mini 3 Pro drone and accessories, ensuring they are safe and organized during transport. The specially designed propellers for the DJI Mini 3 Pro reduce noise and improve aerodynamic efficiency, resulting in powerful thrust for smoother flights. With the use of a 30-watt USB-C charger sold separately, 3 Mini 3 Pro intelligent flight batteries can be fully charged in just 3 hours, reducing downtime and maximizing time in the air.